Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an experiment. The weather here in Minnesota hasn't dropped to this level in over almost a decade ago. So, being that it is a very rare chance, I'm going to be boiling some water and try to freeze it. I was told that boiling water freezes faster than normal water. So I'm going to take this out there and have some fun with it. Boiling water batch number 1. Up in the air. And this is boiling water batch number 2. Get that. In the air. So the hot water, when it comes back down, glacier ice. Hit my Mazda and on the floor. Can't really see it, but they're all frozen. You can see the glare. Alright, I'm gonna try to start my Mazda in this kind of weather. Takes it a while. My feet is in the clutch. As soon as I let go of the clutch, it's gonna probably die, because it has happened like this yesterday. Almost staying on. I guess it's staying on. Watch my breath. Fogged out this emblem. Of course, most interesting observation is over here. With my Z running, the steam from the exhaust is freezing on the lower bumper. You see ice right here? Ice coming out. Yeah, this is solid ice. Very interesting, huh? And this is the reason why I haven't been working on cars, because it's so damn cold. Oh, there we go. Very interesting. Yeah, the steam is freaking dripping off my exhaust. You can see it right here. Water right here. And it's freezing on the ground. And this car has always been sitting inside. But I do have to open it. Open the garage up to start this thing, because I don't want the exhaust fume in the garage. But yeah. Interesting, huh? Super cold. Alrighty. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.